Good night. My name is Alisa Baker. Kartel. I'm from Standpipe. I live with my 8-year-old son. I get burned out nearly 1 year now. I need some help, and there is no one to help me.
When you see them viewers, the government of Jamaica no care about the residents them. Worse when time your disability. Look there. Why that woman there on the media beg Kartel? Now the system supposed to take care of her. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about, plus squaddy them go find Orville in a house at Westmoreland as well, and squaddy them go in a bar at Manchester and find big Matic, and the owner said that Matic they have to protect the bar. So before me jump into the reason and make you know what go on, listen to this.
Good night. My name is Alisa Baker. Kartel. I'm from Standpipe. I live with my 8-year-old son. I get burned out nearly 1 year now. I need some help, and there is no one to help me. They just come and just give me promises, and I'm blind. So I'm asking you, please, if you could help me, please. I need some help. I'm just sending out this video to you. Thank you.
When you hear that, my viewers, Alisa Baker, a resident from Standpipe, I say she live with her little 8-year-old son. And as you can see, the lady blind, you know. Why the lady up on the internet a beg Kartel? Eh? Now the government fear take care of the lady. You see what I tell you now? When you're disabled boy, you know, nobody no care about your boy, you know. The woman a say her house burn down. And all the councillor woman do or the councillor boy do. Visit the woman and give the woman bare promises, me I tell you now. See it here? Me see the whole of una run up and down for green and orange boy. Yeah. Where green and orange I go do for no grand pitney them. Where green and orange I go do for no pitney them. And no mother them. Nothing. Cause look here. When me see them thing here, you know, me I tell you know, my viewers, the lady no fear go through this, you know. Where you tell me say, her little 8-year-old son a take care of her. And him a fear look out for her. And a clothes her. And a cook for her. Cause when me say, she blind. So that means she can't say nothing. So as I say, my people, set away boy. Muma for the writers make video. And I beg Kartel for do something for her. When we have Prime Minister boy, MP boy, Councillor there Standpipe, and them nah look pan the woman. System need to do better. You hear that? When a disabled boy, them no care about your boy. If you not have your family, them with a fork out money. Them thing you got me to your boy. Suffer you go suffer boy. So no walk with me and all my people. But we see the Matic you wanna see on the screen. Squaddy them find it in a bar at Manchester, you know. And the owner for the bar say, you know see where I go on boy you know. You know see everywhere mass shooting a go on. A man a running in a bar and lounge. But them still gone with him, me I tell you no more viewers. All when the dog said a Matic ya, they in the bar for protect the people them and for protect him bar. But guess what? It no license. So you no must feel like say them a go gone with your brother. So my people, 6 or 1 half dozen of the other. All when you try protect your life boy and I try save a life boy. Squaddy them no care about that. So no walk with me now. We see 50-year-old Orville road. A man from old school road and Negril. Them find him in a house, me I tell you now, Westmoreland. Body a decompose and a swell, me I tell you now. And them light the house a fire. From my understanding, you know, it look like them dirt Orville, you know. And burn down the house, you know. And it swear say the dog body that go burn up, you know. And turn ashes, you know. But that never go on. Squaddy them quick and fast. Rush to the house. And drag out him body. And as I say, Orville body did a swell. So it look like a couple days. Them dopey man have him right there so. So see them viewers. Westmoreland again in the news, you know. The badness upgrade pan another part of the island, you know. When I know Hanover, a Westmoreland, a Clarendon, the whole of down them side there right now. Pay a gun bag and crash down me and run out for them general. So as I say, 50-year-old Orville latest victim for pronouncing a house at Westmoreland. Some of viewers, stay safe out there, you know. Protect on 3 points out there, you know. You know, see where I go on, boy, yeah, my people. Eh? And this make people run away from boy, yeah. All women have to depend on internet a beg cartel when the system should have take care of her. People are flee, cause no betterance na the boy, yeah. Teachers are ball for pay, and all know them can't get it. So until next time, my people, Zimmy.